There. Actual video of Photo R230 with CIS. Yan. Bago pa lang tong CIS, with waste tank na siya, no? Ayan, no? Medyo malabo. Okay, good. Yan, with waste tank. Ayan, no? Yan. Pinawasan ko muna yung ink, no? Nilagay ko muna dyan yung level, pero pagdating naman sa inyo, full, almost full naman yan eh. Hanggang dito naman yan eh, no? Yan, hanggang dyan yung pinaka-ink nya. Walang problema yan. Kompleto, malinis, maayos ang printer. Okay? So, in good condition, ayan, naka-power on. No blinking issue. Tingnan natin ang loob. Malinis, maayos, very good. Roller, quite good. Ayan, metal niya sa loob, good. No? Ayan, mga mechanism is good. Napakita ko na sa inyo kung gaano kalinis, kaayos pa ang printer na ito. Almost 1 year pa lang. Ayan, yung CIS, bagong bago. November 15 kinabit ang CIS. Okay? So, mag-actual print out tayo. So, ito ang ipiprint natin, ano? Print tayo. Ayan. R230 series. Ayan. Properties. Ayan. Almost new, no? Ink level. Okay. Okay na natin yan. Okay, 1 page lang. Then, okay, printing. Okay, finish. Good. Perfect quality. Yan. Harap natin. There. So, no horizontal banding. The black, magenta, maayos. No? Cyan and yellow, maayos. And the picture. Maayos ang picture, no? Ayan. So that's the actual printout of Epson Photo R230. Thank you guys for watching. And wait tayo ng another set pa ng printers.